Hey guys, we're going to start a new series. Now, if you're familiar with my carbon monoxide test series, my dad gave me permission that I can test our smoke alarms monthly. Now, these are the kinds we have. We're not going to be testing that one because it doesn't have a battery in it. Those are the ones we have. And it's a FireX i46 818 AC. So let's go to our first smoke alarm. Here is the first one. Let's check the date on it. I am prepared.
Did you take your pill?
There we go. That one is good. Let's do it sequence. Okay, that one is good.
Take your pill.
No, not yet. Next, we'll do this one down in the basement. Test. I'm not going to check the date on this one. Oh, that was weird. That one didn't test correctly. Okay, that was a very rare sounding effect. I wonder why I couldn't hear it in my last test. It actually wasn't really a test. It was actually just when the smoke alarms went off because we were cooking. To make it easier, let's pull out the tripod. Okay, now we have the tripod. Let's see if I can actually reach this one. Okay, guys, I ended up having to do it have my dad do it. That's what it sounds like. Okay, that one's good. It didn't even have that weird startup. Okay, guys, in this one, we're actually going to do a walk around for. Okay, we're going to do it. Okay, Dad, you can go. This one's not going off. Basement Smoky is not going off. Prepare for basement when done.
Okay.
Checking upstairs and then you can release. Downstairs is good. That one's good. This one's good. We're good. You can let go.
Okay.
Okay, folks. Okay, before we end this video, I'm going to end this video right here, but I'm going to edit in a clip later of checking the one in the basement. So this is it right now. Okay, we're going to investigate this. Is it plugged in?
It is plugged in.
Make sure it's fully secure.
It was secure until I unsecured it.
Make sure it's fully plugged in.
Oh, wait a minute. This isn't.
Do you need me to get a screwdriver?
I can be able to twist with my fingers.
Make sure that's fully plugged in. And what's the date on it? Because it could have a different date.
I can't see it from here.
it a Phillips head?
No, I think it's a flathead.
No, well then you have the wrong one. I'm just going with it. I would need a Phillips head.
Yes, we checked the date on it. It was January of 1990 something. So folks, back to that other part of the video. We'll make another video on replacing it because we're gonna have to replace that one, unfortunately. But that'll make a video. So let's go to that introduction. So I'm not sure what the results on that were yet, but I'll know when that time comes. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like them, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Any comments or questions, make sure to leave those in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye, folks. Thank you for watching. And by the way, next test, we'll try to test the smoke sensors. We just didn't have it this time. Just came up planned from this SCR safety video. We were going to do it. We weren't even planning on doing it until we saw this video. So thanks for watching.